Okay, so we're here in Mercure Hotel. We just arrived in Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. Yan. First nating titignan is the kitchen. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng layout ng kitchen. I think we can cook here. Siyempre, ayan. Merong induction cooktop. Let's check the cabinets. Kung anong mga meron. Ayan. Yung mga ano yan, connectors ng sa kitchen. Ayan. Microwave is here. Electric kettle. And this one, sabi dun sa front desk, this is potable. We can drink this. Tapos nandito yung mini fridge. And may mga lutuan din as well, of course. Yan. Yan. Yan yung facilities. Now, by the way, this is the 16th floor. Itong hotel daw has 25 floors. And it has 2 rooms. And look at this. Meron pa surprise ang aking wife because it's my birthday this coming December 4. Really appreciate this. Thank you, babe, and Mercure for this one. So nice. Let's check the cabinets. Ayan. It's a typical closet. Not much here. Dito, parang may chair dito. And now let's move to the dining and living room. 4-seaters dining table. Para siyang tempered glass. Yan, may painting. Tapos parang may receiving area pa kung meron kang visitors. And ito yung living room. Laki yung couch. Tapos may TV din, of course. Yan. Yung temperature is okay. Siguro dahil kakabukas pa lang. Medyo mainit. Pero we'll adjust later. Ayan, meron din pa surprise dito. Because it's mommy's birthday din on the 17th. Parehas kaming Sagittarian. Ayan. And this room over here has its own bathroom and toilet. Ayan. So nice. Let's check what's inside. Ayan. Ayan, mga toiletries. I think it's prime line of toiletries. We'll check that one later. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ayan. The room is 80 square meters. Medyo malaki siya. It's good for 4 persons.